Learning on the Edge is a unique series of events that is interactive and it challenges the traditional norms of learning. We've basically flipped the university inside out, and we really wanted to get people out of their comfort zones. So it was all about unconventional learning experiences.
We wanted to do something that basically linked much of the work done at Victoria University and some of the interests of the university to the local community.
Learning on the Edge really wanted to come out onto the streets of Footscray and respond to our really unique community by bringing into our program diverse events such as Food for Thought, where we had people enjoying an amazing Ethiopian meal as a group.
Starting with this kind of stuff is it can bring people together, and also it is introducing and promoting the Footscray, and also it is good to help for awareness, cultural awareness.
A program like this is actually really great because it gives us that opportunity to be able to just sit down with the locals and just have a chat and get to know each other, on the basic level. So it's a really wonderful program.
We wanted to challenge the traditional ways that people learn by having them take control of the learning outcomes. So we would have people going into a dark room, meeting a complete stranger, and through that they'd learn all these really interesting things about themselves and the other person.
So I just participated in The Dark, which is an event where you go into a very, very dark room and you talk to a stranger, and couldn't see them at all, and we just had a conversation and it was amazing. What I learnt, I think, just to be more open, to not kind of judge people on what someone, I was constantly thinking they're challenging me, or just be more open and relaxed going into the conversation.
We had things from science experiments with children from primary school age. We also had local conversations where people would go and enjoy a conversation with one person, and that was in a range of local businesses and vendors, and a great way to get people out into some different places in Footscray.
One of the most exciting things I think about Learning on the Edge is that it's not the traditional way of learning. It's more progressive, you're learning through experience.
We're really looking forward to bringing some more exciting programs and events to Footscray and our local community that again look at learning and education, but in a really different, challenging and quirky way.